Hey Steve, this is Brittany with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to make you this quick video. It's just a quick educational video to go over some things with you that will be able to help you boost your online presence and be able to help you boost your business overall. Now, at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So some of the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So what content is going to be made up of anything on your front page. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, what's behind those photos and how they're saved is all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. And within that content, you want to add keywords that's going to help your business be found. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product in your content, and you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. Now, that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help. And now that's probably going to be my biggest suggestion. I would recommend adding more content to the front page so that way you're able to insert those keywords a little bit better. Now, if we go over here on Ahrefs, is a tool that we use here. What it's going to do is it's going to show me how many keywords you have, how many backlinks you have. So these are definitely things that we're going to want to boost up to be able to find it, like so your website's found easier on Google. Now, so if you look over here, this is going to be also your trust and your strength when it comes to Google, and it's on a scale of 100. So these two, we're definitely going to want to keep as even as possible, but we also want to boost these up as well. Now the next thing is going to be backlinks. Right now we don't have any backlinks for your website, and a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Now, some of these links are very spammy and some are more authoritative. Now, we really want to go after the ones that are more authoritative. That's going to bring that power to your website. So with all that, the goal is to get you onto Google. The best place you want to be is definitely on what we call this Google Map Pack here. That's going to be the best place to be, or definitely on at least that front page as well. So if we take a look at, I pulled up a different website. They have some decent content, and I was able to put their information into that same tool. Now, they have 876 backlinks at the moment, and they have 60 keywords. Now, let's take a look at some of the keywords. We're able to go through and find the keywords that they're using. That's going to be something that we could take and then figure out what the best ones for you are going to be to utilize into your website as well. All right, and the last thing I want to go over with you is something that we call citations. So a citation is going to be something that you find your phone number, your business name, your address on websites like Yellow Pages, Yelp, things like that. Those are going to be another way to add more power and strength to your website. The more places that you have your business out there, the more trust Google is going to put into it. And that's going to be able to move you back up onto the list. So the way I would recommend is definitely utilizing for your website backlinks. We need to work on getting citations, and we definitely need to be able to get more content on that front page of your website over here, so that way you're able to then utilize more keywords, so you're going to be able to be found on Google better when people are searching for the services that your company is going to provide. So once again, I want to say thank you for letting me send over this video. I am going to send this along with all of my information as well. But if you do ever have any questions, you can always call or text me or email me. All that information is going to be in the message I send you. So thank you again. If you have any questions, please let me know, and you have a great day.